Good morning. My name is Bethany, and this is a Faye in the Life. We just got up, got dressed, and we're about to go get Kennedy out of bed. Jaxson is here with us this weekend, so we're gonna maybe take a nature walk if the weather is okay. It is supposed to rain, but maybe it'll hold off long enough so we can do that. Right now, we're gonna go get them up and get breakfast made so we can head out.
For breakfast, I'm having my baked oatmeal muffins, an egg with everything seasoning, a piece of Sara Lee 45-calorie toast, and my coffee with Califia Farms almond milk creamer. The total for breakfast is 5 points. We just finished breakfast. We are going to go on our nature walk, and right now we're at the gas station filling up. They have a cute little butterfly garden.
Hi. Hi. Go down. Go down. Hey, Mommy, take a picture. Oh, look at that big tree. What was your favorite thing so far? Bugs. Did you find a butterfly yet? No. No.
Finish up our nature walk, and now we're gonna head home. We had a nice time on our nature walk. It was nice to get outside and get some fresh air. Kennedy walked the whole way, which was really impressive. I think it's close to a mile. We didn't see many animals, but we all had fun, and it was just a nice time together as a family. For lunch, we got home and I made a wrap for myself with lunch meat, cheese, and I fried up some onions and veggies real quick, then put it all in an extreme wellness low-carb tortilla. I also made a smoothie for myself using almond milk, unsweetened chai tea, and my greens powder, protein powder, and my lunch total came to 4 points. I do not count the fruit in the smoothie, which I know goes against WW rules, but I've never had an issue not counting it, and that's what works for me.
Hi.
We had to run over to Publix real quick and get some groceries, and now we're just chilling at home before we go to dinner tonight. We celebrated owning our home for 1 year today. We're heading to dinner at our favorite place. I had a grilled shrimp salad at Texas Roadhouse with 2 rolls, the honey cinnamon butter, and 1 side of broccoli. It comes up to a total of 27 points for me, but I do get a lot back for the veggies, which I don't really pay attention to. We are back home from dinner at Texas Roadhouse, and Brandon is watching baseball. Kennedy's in there playing, and me and Jaxson are gonna play Jumanji.
Which I got from Santa.
For dessert, I had frozen pineapple and strawberries. I just put those in the microwave for a few minutes to thaw, and then I topped them with fat-free whipped cream and sugar-free caramel sauce. And I had a cake ball that I made for a total of 1 point for dessert. My total for the day was 37 points. I get 27 a day, but I did earn some back for water, activity, and veggies. I generally ignore that though, and just look at how much I spent. All right, we just finished dessert. We're gonna get Kennedy in the bath and ready for bed. Jackson's also gonna get ready for bed, and then we are gonna just go hang out in our room and finish out our night. Since we walked earlier today, I probably won't do a workout tonight. Thanks for hanging out with us today. As always, thanks for stopping by. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to comment below if you did, and like and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you guys next time. Bye.